Hello, welcome to Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips win own route to win own routes lesson 6. Remember to use the free cell file to calculate IND, calculate the sales forecast and production for own routes, and also you can get the free support for route 1 and route 2. I show you the detail now. So remember we have 4 strategies here. You can download the free Excel file under this video in the command part to calculate IND for on the 8 rounds. This calculate IND already using the combination of table 2 and table 3 from your industry condition report. I show you in round 1, video 1, and then you can use the Excel file to calculate. You see the unit resource and inventories here. You can calculate the sales forecast and production for 8 rounds. For 8 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6, 7. And 8 for 8 rounds very fast. You can also keep track of the price increase for each round, price reduction for each round to maintain the competitiveness, right? And then you can always get the free support for round 1 and round 2. They are the most important 2 rounds, 1, 2, and 3. After that, support is quite late, right? If you have any question, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.